that we've had today across London and up and down the country. But it may be that we've got to push that message.
I feel that the government has seriously let down civil servants and public servants. They've introduced a level of distrust which has resulted in all these people turning up. I mean, specifically, they're attacking our pensions, but also against a backdrop in which they're freezing our salaries. And Cameron says that we're all in it together. But the reality is there are quite clearly people in our society who aren't in it at all and are benefiting very, very well from rapidly increasing salaries and bonuses, particularly in the banking sector. There does actually come a point where you've got to stand up for yourself in life, and when the government is trying to push through on the back of the current economic climate a whole range of measures which are targeting one particular sector of society and one particular sector of the workforce, then frankly, still live in a democracy, we need to stand up and fight for what we actually believe in. We obviously need to exercise influence on parliamentarians in particular, who will eventually be subject to an election, possibly in 2015. That civil and public servants are going to get a 2% increase over 4 years, with inflation of 5.6%, with very little sign that it's going to abate. We're looking over those 4 years of civil and public servants' salaries reducing in real terms by anything up to 20 to 25%. There's a recent YouGov poll which indicated that about 61% of certainly the people polled support the public sector strike. At least they understand why we are actually going on strike. Now, that really is quite significant.
I want to thank all our speakers.